Om Tat Sat. This is Swami Nikhilananda. My humble prostrations to the universal divine energy in the form of Adi Guru Shankaracharya Ji, my worshipful Guru Swami Jyotirmayanand Ji, all the sages and saints of this world, and to you divine souls watching this satsang. In today's satsang, we'll be discussing verse number 13 of the Holy Scripture Bhaj Govindam by Adi Shankaracharya Ji. काते कांता धनगत चिंता वातुल किं तव नास्ति नियंता त्रिजगति सज्जन संगति रेका भवति भवार्णव तरणे नौका भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते. So in this verse, Shankaracharya Ji says, Kate Kanta Dhangat Chinta. Why are you so worried about your wife, money matters, all these worries that we load on ourselves? So he says, you don't need to do that. Then he says, Vatul kim tav nasti niyanta. Don't you have faith in God? Don't you know there is a divine energy that will take care of every single problem? That doesn't mean we don't do our effort. We do our efforts, but we get things according to our prarabdha or our destiny. So he says, do not worry about that. God is taking care of 8.4 million species according to the Sanatana Dharma. Everything is working according to the divine plan. He will also take care of you. So don't add stress to your life. In all the three worlds, then he says, Tri Jagati Sajjana Sangati Reka. In all the three worlds, the most precious possession you have is satsang. Satsang is association with sages and saints, bhajans, holy scriptures, connecting with God. So join satsang. What we are doing right now is satsang also. For this reason, I'm trying to condense it into a shorter format so the busy people can also be able to listen to these 10 minutes or less nuggets so they get their daily dose of spirituality. It is one of the gatekeepers to the palace of liberation, Satsanga. Sat is truth, Sangha association with the truth. So whenever you are doing that and you're doing it on a consistent basis, it is transformational. This is the boat that will transfer you from this mortal world to perpetual peace. Bhavati bhavarnavatarane noka. There's this big ocean in between this worldly process and the realm of divinity, God. So we have to cross this ocean. And how do you cross it? You cross it in the boat of Satsanga. So this is what Shankaracharya Ji is reminding us in this verse number 13. He says, do not worry. There is a word in Hindi called chinta. Chinta means worry, and it has one dot. If you remove that one dot in it, it becomes chita, which means pyre. Dead bodies are burnt in that pyre. So he says, if you do chinta, you will end up with chita. So don't worry for unnecessary things in your life. Resign to God, go and sit at the lotus feet of sages and saints, and you will be immensely blessed. Your life will become wonderful like a lotus flower. This is Swami Nikhilananda. Om Tat Sat.